Would your vacuum pass the strength test? I'll show you what I mean. This here is a 6-pound weight. Weak suction power is not gonna be able to pick it up, but strong suction power will. And guess what? It's all yours with the LEVOIT VortexIQ 40 cordless stick vacuum. You shouldn't have to waste your battery life by keeping your vacuum on high the whole time. Using an infrared sensor, the VortexIQ 40 auto mode feature detects the amount of debris and adjusts the power suction for you. So you get a longer runtime and spotless floors. Oh, and we can't forget about filtration, because here we believe in the phrase, no dust left behind. Thanks, man. The VortexIQ 40 uses 4-stage HEPA filtration, capturing small particles like dust, pollen, or even pet dander. Capturing things that you can or can't see. But this is a laboratory. Let's see how it holds up to the work of real-world professionals. Hey guys, time to put this vacuum to the real test. With strong suction power, automatic debris detection, and 4-stage filtration, you can face the mess without the stress. Get everything right the first time with the LEVOIT VortexIQ 40.